There's a trending term, not sure if you've heard. It's called social distancing, also known as physical distancing. And I am positive everyone can now relate because it's affecting everybody right now, if I am quite correct. They say avoid crowds, no gatherings, wash your hands, don't touch your face, keep at least 2 meters of distance apart, and thank God it seems to be working to slow the tide. But what if I suggested something much more serious than these COVID-19 measures? What if God was put in a social distancing all along and we didn't even know it? What if Earth was in a quarantine because of sin? And we might say, we're okay, we don't need any help. But truth be told, you can spread the virus even if you seem asymptomatic. The prophet Isaiah says that our sins have separated us from God. And this is not just a 2 meter distance apart, this is an eternal separation, an infinite gulf. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you're like, yeah, I know our sins have separated us from God. That's why Adam and Eve were chased from paradise, right? But think of it in reverse. Turn the coin upside down. What if God feels the distance too? What if He longs to be with you, but because there is sin in you, He has to maintain the distance? Ever wonder why we can't even see God, can't see His face, can't touch His hand? But despite the distance, God has given us another chance. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. The vaccine was found, the cure was discovered. Jesus Christ came into the world that there should no longer be distance between us and God. Jesus is both the vaccine and the antivirus. On the cross, He crushed the head of the serpent, and ever since then, we are more than conquerors. Hey guys, thank you so much for listening to that poem. I hope that you guys are inspired and that we can share hope during these tough times. All you have to do is simply use the hashtag challenging COVID-19 and share your message of hope. Thank you.
Heal the land.